Which planet is closest to the Sun? The answer is Mercury. What is the common name for the red planet? The correct choice is Mars. What is the Earth's only natural satellite? Time's up, it's the Moon. Which star is at the center of our solar system? The answer is the Sun. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Time's up, it's Jupiter. Which planet is famous for its prominent rings? The correct choice is Saturn. What galaxy is Earth located in? The answer is Milky Way. What force keeps planets in orbit around the Sun? Here is the answer. Gravity. Which planet is the hottest in the solar system? Did you guess it? The answer is Venus. What is the third planet from the Sun? The answer is Earth. Which celestial body was reclassified as a dwarf planet? The answer is Pluto. What instrument is used to view distant stars? And the answer is telescope. In which direction does the sun rise on Earth? The answer is east. What is a group of stars forming a pattern? Time's up. It's constellation. What is the scientific name for a shooting star? And the answer is meteor. Who was the first human to walk on the moon? Answer: Neil Armstrong. What is the primary gas found in the sun? And the answer is hydrogen. What is the approximate shape of the Earth? Time's up. It's oblate spheroid. Which planet is often called the blue planet? Here is the answer: Earth. How long does Earth take to rotate once? And the answer is 24 hours. What is the largest moon of Saturn? The answer is Titan. Which major galaxy is closest to the Milky Way? The answer is Andromeda. Which planet rotates on its side? The answer is Uranus. What is the boundary of a black hole? Answer: event horizon. What unit measures distance light travels in a year? The correct choice is light year. What gas makes up most of Venus's atmosphere? Time's up, it's carbon dioxide. Which Jupiter moon may have a subsurface ocean? And the answer is Europa. What classification is our sun? The correct choice is yellow dwarf. Who was the first human in space? Answer, Yuri Gagarin. What is the theoretical center of a black hole? And the answer is singularity. What is a cloud of gas and dust? Here is the answer. Nebula. Where is Olympus Mons, the largest volcano, located? The answer is Mars. Which planet features the Great Red Spot? Did you guess it? The answer is Jupiter. Which comet returns to Earth every 76 years? Did you guess it? The answer is Halley. What phase is the moon when fully illuminated? Time's up. It's full moon. Which mission first landed humans on the moon? Time's up. It's Apollo 11. What is the distance from Earth to Sun? And the answer is 1 AU. What gas gives Neptune its blue color? Did you guess it? The answer is methane. What is the densest planet in the solar system? And the answer is Earth. What remains after a massive star's supernova? The answer is neutron star. What is a planet's spin on its axis? And the answer is rotation. What is the sun's visible surface called? Time's up. It's photosphere. What is the approximate speed of light? Answer, 300,000 kilometers. Which planet is the smallest in the solar system? Here's the answer, Mercury. How many moons does Mars have? The answer is 2. What constant describes the universe's expansion rate? The correct choice is Hubble's. Where do gravity and centrifugal forces balance? The answer is Lagrange point. What is the cosmic microwave background temperature? Answer, 217 Kelvin. How is the Milky Way galaxy classified? The correct choice is barred spiral. What is the most massive known star? The answer is R136A1. That's it for today. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily trivia. See you next time.